Author and Illustrator visits are exciting events that foster the love of reading, arts, and books. Once a date is set for me to visit your school for an Author Illustrator program, it is important to prepare. I would like to share with you a scrapbook from Olde Orchard Elementary School and how they prepared for my visit to their school. In anticipation of an author or illustrator visit, students will be inspired to learn more about the process of writing and drawing. The success of such an event depends on planning. Get the entire school involved. Teachers, parents, students, and administrators should all have a chance to contribute to good ideas. Organize a publicity committee and ask each member to find a creative way to promote the event. Distribute a newsletter or flyers about the event. Make posters or other announcements, and ask the librarian to showcase the author's books. Make a bulletin board, post signs and flyers around the school to spread the word that the author is coming. You should get a set of the author's books. Have the librarian order multiple copies. Send a message to the public library and tell them to have the author's books on hand. Teachers can have a book talk, look closely at the illustrator's artwork. What comes to mind? Have the books available for students to browse by themselves at the school library before the visit. Be sure to include biographical information about the author in your preparation plans. Develop games and activities based on the authors and their books. Some authors will even have a downloadable lesson plans on their website for teachers to use in their classroom. Teachers can plan book talks and art projects based on the author's titles. Ask students to prepare a list of questions to ask the author. The more preparation teachers do with the kids, the more they are ready for the exciting experience of meeting the author on the big day. Remember, planning and enthusiasm is a key to a successful author and illustrator visit. It is never too early to prepare.